In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align scorecards or any other components in Looker Studio with precision and ease. Whether you're preparing a data report for a business meeting or refining an interactive dashboard, having well-aligned elements is key to creating a clear and professional presentation. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to organize your reports neatly, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Let's dive in. To begin, we'll explore the first method by using the alignment and distribution tools within Looker Studio. Start by entering Edit mode in your report. This is where all your design magic happens. Now, what you want to do is select multiple scorecards. A simple trick for doing this efficiently is holding down the Shift key while clicking on each scorecard you wish to align. This action allows you to select multiple items simultaneously, making the process faster and easier. Once you've selected the scorecards, right-click on any one of them to reveal a menu with various options, including alignment tools. These options are invaluable. You can align your scorecards vertically or horizontally. Whether you choose to align them at the top, middle, or bottom, or perhaps left, center, or right, is entirely up to the specific layout you're aiming for. Think of this step as arranging puzzle pieces, each option available to you helping create the complete, beautiful picture. After you've got the alignment set just right, it's time to focus on distribution. Evenly distributing your scorecards can significantly elevate the balance of your report. Use the Distribute Horizontally or Distribute Vertically options. This neat trick spaces your scorecards evenly between the outermost components, ensuring symmetry and a professional look throughout your report. Remember, these tools are not just about alignment, they're about creating visual harmony across your document. Now, let's discuss the second method, utilizing the page grid and smart guides. In Edit mode, navigate to the top menu, click on View, and select Show Grid to display a layout grid on your page. This grid acts as a visual aid, giving you more control over how every element lines up. It's like having a digital ruler, making alignment decisions both intuitive and precise. Smart guides are another handy feature you ought to leverage. These guides automatically appear as you move components around, helping to snap scorecards and other elements into alignment with each other. They work quietly in the background, ensuring your components lock into place appropriately without you having to manually measure distances or alignment. By following these techniques, you'll be well equipped to arrange your Looker Studio reports with precision and flair. So next time you're in report building mode, remember these simple yet powerful tools to enhance the presentation and readability of your data. Happy aligning. Happy